Hello everyone, welcome to Self Development World. This is Prashant. Yesterday I uploaded a video on self discipline and the importance of self discipline to become successful. So today I would like to talk about perseverance and the importance of perseverance to become successful in personal and professional life. So in this video I would like to share a short story which I read in an article. So the story goes like this. One day, two persons cultivated a normal tree and a bamboo tree. So both the trees were taken care properly and they were fertilized, they were watered, and after 1 year, the normal tree grew up 1 feet tall and the bamboo tree never even came out of the ground. So the person who planted the bamboo tree was completely upset and he was wondering why the bamboo tree never came up. But he never gave up. He continued to water the bamboo tree and he used to give all the fertilizers to the bamboo tree and he watered it continuously. After another year, the normal tree again grew up 2 feet tall, but the bamboo tree never even sprouted out of the ground. The man was completely worried and he was confused, but he didn't know why the bamboo tree is not growing. But he didn't give up. He continued to water the bamboo tree and take care of that bamboo tree. After 3 years, the ordinary tree grew up 3 feet and 4 feet tall, but the bamboo tree never came out of the ground. But the person who planted the bamboo tree never gave up. He believed that one day it will come out of the ground. So he again continued to water the bamboo tree and he took care of that. The 4th year is gone, no improvement. After the 5th year, in 1 week time, the bamboo tree grew up to 90 feet tall. So this is a normal story of persistence and perseverance. So with this story, what I would like to share as a message is, in our personal life, we used to start a personal business or we used to start anything. It can be a YouTube channel, it can be a sports venture, it can be a business, whatever it is. In 100% people, only 2 or 3% have the persistence and perseverance and willpower to continue even if nothing works out. But the remaining 97% of people, if we start something and if it doesn't go well, then we used to stop and we used to give up. That is the reason most of the people are not successful in their personal life. So yesterday we saw a video on self-discipline and the importance of self-discipline to become successful, and the second most important quality to be successful in your personal and professional life is perseverance and persistence. Just 2 years back, I started a business, a training academy. It was my passion, so I took a step with a faith and believing in my gut feeling. So for the first 2 months, nothing happened. For the 3rd month, I saw some improvement in my business. In the 4th month, it was getting improved. And 5th month, everything was going well. After the 6th month, I lost all of my bank balance and no income was coming from my business. So I was completely upset and I didn't know what to do and to whom to ask help for. So at that time I didn't know what to do. So I thought of taking a job in a corporate company and to take care of my business simultaneously. So I entered into a corporate field. I started working over there and I was taking care of my business simultaneously. But I was not able to take care of my business properly. So something in my mind told me that you cannot do this. So just quit and take a corporate field business. That voice inside me continuously kept talking to me in a negative way, and I started to believe that negative voice which was speaking to me. So what I did was I just quit my business and I went into the corporate field. So after entering into the corporate field, I got a call from the people. Actually, my training business was providing faculties to schools and training the students. For the first 4 to 5 months, I struggled a lot, but nothing worked out. But after I joined my corporate field and I quit my business, something started to happen. So the headmasters and headmasters of the schools, principals started calling me to give a chance. But I quit my business already. I didn't have any faculty with me. So I said that I don't have any faculty with me now, and also I closed my business completely. They said okay, and I forgot completely about my training business and I entered into the corporate field, and my life started to move in this way. But I told myself that I'm going to start a business again in my life in future, and this has happened before 2 years, and now I've got a clear picture of the business that I wanted to start, and I'm sure that definitely I'm going to become an entrepreneur in the next 2 to 3 years, and I'm sure that I'm not going to quit because I already know that I learned a lesson from the failure from my training business, that if we quit in a business which we start, then we are not going to get the rewards. So whatever business you start, whatever job or whatever, anything, it can be anything, whatever you start, just keep in mind that if you quit, then you will not get the rewards what you expected. So just keep going. Sometimes life will be positive, so we'll be happy, but many times life is going to pull you down and it will be testing your patience. So at that time you should use your willpower to keep up and to keep moving to be successful in your life. I'm done.